SWI's been making waves this year. Crypto analyst Michaël van de Poppe recently called it super interesting, pointing out that a breakout above $3.30 could spark a big move. SWI Basecamp, its flagship developer and community conference, landed in Dubai on May 1st and 2nd, 2025. At the event, Miston Labs co-founder Evan Cheng and Real Vision's Raoul Pal shared roadmap updates and introduced SWI Play 0x1, a new cross-chain gaming framework. These details reinforce SWI's long-term vision, not just charts, but real-world adoption in gaming and developer tools. Let's dive into real numbers. Stablecoin supply on SWI surged from $400 million in January to over $1.2 billion by mid-2025. But there's more. By late 2024, total value locked had topped $1.8 billion. That's massive momentum for a non-EVM chain. SWI Lend, the lending protocol, boosted TVL by 90% in just a month, bringing it past 600 million. Wallet adoption continues too. Phantom, Slush, SWI, Nightly, and Surf wallets now support SWI, making entry simpler for retail users. In early 2025, co-founder Adeni Abiodun flagged an upgrade to BTCfi version 2, enhancing transaction finality and scalability. And following Basecamp, the platform roadmap emphasizes modular consensus, improved staking mechanics, and cross-chain game assets through SWI Play 0x1. In the first quarter of 2025, about 31.7% of SWI supply unlocked. That included ecosystem reserves, community rewards, private investors, and staking incentives. It's a shift that could influence both liquidity and governance. Van de Poppe highlighted a clean technical setup. After a recent correction, the structure resembles past patterns that preceded sharp rallies. A breakout above $3.30 could act as a catalyst, absorbing liquidity and triggering strength. And with other analysts noting bullish weekly candlestick patterns, the technical outlook feels ripe. SWI isn't just borrowing DeFi from Ethereum. It's innovating Bitcoin DeFi, or BTCfi. Wrapped Bitcoin is live via the SWI bridge, enabling users to deploy BTC in Bluefin and SWI Lend. Today, Bitcoin assets make up more than 10% of SWI's total value locked. CoinCodex forecasts that SWI will trade between $2.10 and $2.40 until the end of first quarter 2026, after which it's expected to break out to around $7.85 in the first half of 2026. Institutional interest is rising. In March 2025, Canary Capital filed for the first ever spot SWI ETF with the US SEC. If approved by late 2025, this could open the door to significant inflows from both institutional and retail investors. Explosive growth in stablecoins and DeFi activity. Major tech upgrades like BTCfi version 2, an expanding presence in Bitcoin DeFi, a textbook bullish technical setup. Long-term price forecasts above $7. And institutional momentum with ATF on the horizon. Short-term moves might be slow, but the long-term setup looks strong. Is SWI gearing up for a breakout?